Something that we have to handle in a lot of our applications is CRUD. We are going to want to create, read, update, and delete resources. For instance, we're going to have a user resource. Let's delete a little bit of this stuff and clean up our routes file. And we'll create a new route group. This will be a new dashboard route group. Prefix this with dashboard. And then we'll make sure the namespace is also dashboard. And let's start with a clean slate. We'll delete everything in this dashboard folder in app http controllers dashboard. All right, so now clean slate, brand new route group. We're creating the dashboard section for our application. Our admins are going to want to administer and create and manage a lot of users that are in our application. We're going to quickly, easily do that with resource controllers. Normally, if we wanted to create, read, update our user resource, we would create a route to get all users so we could list the users. We would create a route to edit a specific user. We would create the post route. We'll need this to be a get route. To show the form to edit the user, we'll do a post to process editing / updating the user. We'll need to have a delete route to delete the user. Sorry, this will be a put or a patch since we're updating. And then we'll also have a get to show the form to create a new user. And then the post to process creating the new user. All of these things are required to create, read, update, and delete. So we could create all of these routes, route get users, and we'll create a user controller at get all, or we could actually call this index. Here's the route to show the form to create a user, route get users create. And even here, we could actually create another route group to prefix all of these routes with users. And what's cool about this is that it'll actually cascade down. We'll have dashboard / users, and then all of these will be prefixed with both this and that. Let's continue this. Controller at get create. We'll show off another route. This would be the route to show the edit form. We would need to pass in the user variable, user controller, get edit, and we could continue this way, get all of our routes created, or we could simplify this all with a very helpful thing that Laravel provides called resource controllers. Let's delete all of this. We will do route resource users user controller. Now what this does is Laravel actually creates all 6 of these routes for us from this one line. We'll need to create this controller now, so we'll use artisan, PHP artisan make controller. Its namespace, so we're going to do dashboard user controller. And the last thing we need to do is add the flag for resource to let Laravel know this is a resource controller that we want. Taking a look at our new controllers, that dashboard folder got brought back in, a new user controller. It's correctly namespaced for us. The difference here is that this controller comes with all the functions to handle all of the resources that we had. Index will show all of the users. Create will show the form. Store will process the form. Show will take an ID. Edit will also take the user ID that we have. Update will process the form. And destroy will delete the user. Let's take a look at these routes. Zoom out a little bit. All right, and you can see from that one line we have dashboard users, store, index, create, update, all of the routes that we need to handle our CRUD. Really quickly and easily, resource controllers can do all of these things for us. Let's say this is a blog type website. We're going to also CRUD posts, and we can create that controller. Let's view the routes again. With route groups, route prefixes, and route resource controllers, we've created so much of our application, and now all we have to do is handle the views and the data.